Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to set up a 4-digit passcode on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the Settings app. In the Settings app, you want to scroll and select Face ID and Passcode. Enter in your current device passcode and tap on Next. Then, in your passcode settings, you want to scroll and tap on Change Passcode. Confirm by entering your current one. Then once you've typed it, tap on Next. So from here, you now want to enter in your new passcode that you're going to be using. And so to set up a 4-digit, you want to tap on Passcode Options, select 4-digit numeric code, and then now enter in the new formation that you're going to be using. Enter it in again to confirm it, and then simply wait for the changes to be added onto your device. Once the changes have been loaded, you can now try testing out your new 4-digit passcode. So simply press on the side button to lock your phone. Then from here, try unlocking your device. And so you can see, now I'll be using a 4-digit passcode. So type it in, and if it unlocks, it means that you've successfully set it up. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.